Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The Blackstone EVL 8-55 vertical log splitter features an adjustable stroke column, allowing the machine to adapt to different log lengths. The foldable metal platform provides support and stability during operation. The piston can split logs up to 55 centimeters long, with a maximum diameter of 35 centimeters. The operator can activate the machine using two safety levers, ensuring intuitive and controlled use. The splitting force is 8 tons, providing sufficient power for processing wood of varying hardness. The 3,000-watt electric motor ensures efficient and emission-free operation. The integrated wheel kit makes transportation easy on different surfaces. These features make the model suitable for both domestic use and more demanding tasks. Now for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.